Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to College Town, a vibrant neighborhood located near Louisiana State University in Baton Rouge. It serves as a hub for students, faculty, and visitors, offering a mix of residential, retail, and entertainment spaces. The area grew significantly in the mid-20th century as LSU expanded, creating demand for housing, shops, and services close to campus. Today, College Town features apartments, townhomes, and small neighborhoods that cater to students, young professionals, and long-term residents. Driving through, you will notice a lively mix of restaurants, cafes, and bars that give the area an energetic feel year-round. Events like LSU football games, concerts, and university functions bring additional activity to the streets, especially in the fall. The neighborhood is walkable, with tree-lined streets, sidewalks, and small parks that make it easy to explore on foot. Over time, College Town has seen modernization alongside preservation of older homes and buildings, reflecting both the history of Baton Rouge and the growth of its student community. Public art, murals, and local shops add character to the area, making it a destination for both locals and visitors. The proximity to Louisiana State University also means that educational and cultural opportunities are nearby. Museums, theaters, and lecture halls are easily accessible, contributing to the intellectual and cultural energy of the neighborhood. Driving through College Town today, you can see how the area balances student life, residential communities, and small business activity, creating a unique urban environment within Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.